Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to inject a DLL into a process. This can be used for injecting game cheats or modifications, or, oh well, a lot of things really. So, go ahead and type process hacker in Google. Click this. I already downloaded and installed it, but it should be straightforward enough. It's a normal installation file. Start typing process here. See, it pops up. Run it. Now we choose a process we want to inject into. We'll try this Chrome process. Now right click on it, hover on miscellaneous, and click inject DLL. Now choose a DLL that you want to inject. Since I have this net one here, I'll try it. I have absolutely no idea what it does, but we'll try. And, oh look, it injected successfully. That's pretty much it. You don't need much more. We'll be doing more series on this tool later, as this is by far not all its cool functions. I'll see you later, have a nice day.